together. The fun begins with fried chicken.
Sounds delicious.
Well, good, because I got you everything you need to make it. You are in for a treat. My mother's fried chicken is why we had to buy my dad the extra large coffin.
Eldon, she just got off the plane. She doesn't want to cook.
Well, of course she does. Making me food is her way of saying I love you. Making me food when she's too tired to cook is her way of saying I really love you.
Actually, I wouldn't mind going out for a bite, Sheldon.
Won't that spoil our appetites for the chicken you're going to make?
All right, that settles it. We're going out. Do you like sushi? There's a great little place down the street.
I've never had it, but there's no harm in trying something new.
There's a lot of harm in trying something new. That's why we test out drugs and cosmetics on bunny rabbit.
Sheldon, you're